Affirmations to help you get into the receiving mode. Get into the receiving mode is a phrase that I believe was coined by Esther Hicks during some of her live workshops delivering the Abraham Hicks material. And I just love that idea, getting into the receiving mode. Well, what does that mean? Well, to me, it means that you're open, and then you're receptive. You're ready to receive all the goodness that the universe has to offer you. And it's just a slightly different approach than a lot of people take. When you're in the receiving mode, you're not out there going to get something. You're not necessarily striving. You're not begging for sure. You're just open and you're ready to receive it. It's just a different approach. And when you're in the receptive mode, I think you're more likely to notice opportunities. Yes, there will be action involved, and you will need to have a physical activity, have conversations with people. But you're not out there going and grasping and clawing for things. You're just open, you're receptive, you're looking for the opportunities, and you're allowing them to come to you, and you're open to receive them. And so it's a slightly different approach. And so let's get some affirmations going that will just reinforce this idea. So whatever you're doing, wherever you are, I invite you just to take a deep breath and get centered. I'll do my best to leave space for you to repeat these statements back to yourself and really lean into them with enthusiasm. Let's begin. I am open and ready to receive. I am open and receptive to all the good this life offers. I welcome abundance into my life. I welcome joy into my life. I welcome love into my life. I welcome prosperity into my life. I welcome success into my life. I am open and ready to receive. Let's repeat that 2 more times because it's so powerful. I am open and ready to receive. Again, I am open and ready to receive. Today, I am keenly aware of opportunities. Today, I look for the good in my life. Today, I appreciate the people and things in my life. I deserve all the good this life offers. I am worthy of all the good this life offers. Just take a moment right now to address something that sometimes comes up in people's minds when they say statements like this. I just want you to know, when you make affirmations like this, you are not being self-serving. This isn't a conceited perspective. When you empower yourself, when you lift yourself up, when you're open to receive, you are in a much better position than to serve others. So please know that, in case any of these feelings of doubt come up. And when you prosper, when you accept and receive abundance and love and accomplishment, you're not taking from anyone else. We live in an abundant universe. There is plenty to go around. So let's affirm that. I live in an abundant universe. There is plenty of love and joy and enthusiasm for everyone. When I empower myself, I empower others. Of course, we can't overlook gratitude. Here's an affirmation that I love. Repeat it with me. I am grateful for what I have and eager for more. Let's say that again. I am grateful for what I have and eager for more. I welcome joy into my life. I am ready for an overflowing abundance in my life. I am open to give and receive love in my life. I am so grateful for all the aspects of my life. I am open and ready to receive. I am open and ready to receive. Take a deep breath as we bring this session to a close. I hope this perspective gives you a new way to walk through the world today, where you're open, you're receptive, and you're ready to receive all the riches that life has to offer. Have an amazing day. This is Bob Baker of BobBakerInspiration.com. Let's talk again soon. So long for now.